I took the day off of work yesterday. I wasn't feeling that well. And then this morning I woke up still not feeling that great. So I was intending to go to work today, but it wasn't in me. So I stayed home 2 days in a row, which is pretty rare for me. And I did not get any eBay work done today either. I just stayed sitting on the couch watching TV. Well, I mostly was sleeping and then watching TV in the afternoon. So very little work today to tell you about. But I do have 3 orders that need to get packed out tonight. And despite not really wanting to do it, I'm kind of obligated. So I'm going to pick those 3 orders and then get them packed. So apologize. It's going to be a quick video without any real meat to it, but let's just get these orders packed so we can call it a night. Okay, so a few days in a row now we've had some pretty low value sales, and that's basically the same thing today. We've got 3 orders. I don't think any of them are more than $20, so we're not going to be making much profit today, that's for sure. But we're going to pack this stuff up anyway and get it out of here. So first thing I've got is one of these Belgian waffle makers. This is by Villaware, and I don't really know why some of these things, different models, are worth kind of a lot of money. Like this one I only sold for $20. I'm not sure what I paid for it. Let's find out. Some of them, this one I got it for $3 and I sold it for $20. But some of these that look very similar to this, like even almost identical to this, I've sold for like $70 to $100. So I don't know why one is worth so much more than the other, but that's just the way it goes with these things. But I would pick these. I'd pick any one of these up if I was at a thrift store or something and it was a reasonable price. I'm going to pick it up and not even really do a lot of research to find out if it's valuable or not, because the chances of it being a decent price, a decent value are pretty good. So vintage waffle irons seem to do well. This brand specifically usually does very well, but this one, I've had it since May, so it's been sitting around. I think I probably had it like $29.99 or $32.99 or something like that. And somebody sent the $20 offer today. It's been sitting here for quite a while. I mean, that's 6 months essentially. And I've been just having these slow sales, these lower value sales recently. So I decided to go ahead and take this offer. Maybe if I sat on it for a little while longer, it could have gone for $40 or whatever I wanted for it, but I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to wait any longer. This has been sitting here long enough, and it's time for it to go for $20. Good enough. I probably could have resized this box a little bit because I'm putting a lot of paper in here, but I don't want to spend the time on that tonight. So this is a 12 by 12 by 8 box, basically. It's been used before, so it's, economical option. A box that's a recycled box for an item that's not that expensive, not that valuable, I should say. This side has tape already, but I'm gonna just reinforce it because I don't know what that tape's been through. So roll right on here. Waffle. This is gonna be 12 by 12 by probably 10, 9, 12 by 12 by 9. Is that right? Yeah, I guess that's right. 12 by 12 by 9. I gotta get a weight on it. 6 pounds even. And it's going to in ME. There it is. Okay, next up. This is just a CD, a Taylor Swift CD. I know there are some of these older Taylor Swift ones that have some value for some reason, and this isn't one of them, but I've picked up a few. I think there are ones that are like Target exclusives or something that would have like a double disc set that were only available at Target. I'm not sure, but some of them can have some value. This one I think I sold for like $11. Let's see. $10.19. I got it for free. Not sure where. I don't have that in my notes here. Not sure how I got this for free, but I got it for free. And for something I didn't pay for, I'll take $11 for it. Something that's small and easy to ship and easy to store. We don't have to worry about it. We'll take $11. All right, Swift. It's only 6 ounces, and it's gonna be 9 by 9 by 1. It's gonna go to a buyer whose name is NB in California. All right, and then the last thing we're gonna pack today is this Captain Underpants box set. I think I just listed this yesterday or 2 days ago, maybe sometime this week anyway. It wouldn't have been yesterday. This is another thing I got for free. Did I get it for free? Yeah, I got this for free. And even though it's only listed for a very short time, I listed it on the 15th, and today is the 18th, so 3 days ago. Even though it's only been listed for a short time, I did take an offer on it. I had it listed for $19.99. Somebody offered me $17.99, and I just decided, let's go. It's the same sort of thing as the waffle iron. Like, I'm just not having that many good sales right now, so I gotta take what I can get on some of these items. So 18 bucks for a set of books that I did not pay for. I'm happy to take that. There were only 2 sets of these books, this exact set, that ever sold, and I didn't know if it was going to be a hot seller, so that's another reason why I was kind of quick to take the offer. This box is not ideal. It's got a little gap here, so let's grab a piece of cardboard. Do I have any small ones? Yeah, here's a small one. I'm just going to slide a piece of cardboard in here to see how it's got this gap, flap gap. I'll just slide that in there and fill that gap, and then tape it. I think I might have another sale here, or at least a message coming in. So let me see what this is. New message. Yeah, okay. So just a message, not a sale. eBay message. I wish they had different little symbols in the notification bar to tell you if it's an actual sale or if it's just somebody wanting to send you a conversation starter. Okay, what is this? Captain Underpants. 2 pounds, 12 ounces. 3 pounds. 10 by 8 by 5. It's gonna be going to KG in Maine. Is that 2 Maines today and 2 Maines out of 3? The other day I had like 5 out of 7 going to Texas. Today, 2 out of 3 going to Maine. Seems unlikely, but I'm gonna buy these shipping labels and then I'll come back and tell you about the profits on these things. Okay, all 3 of these have labels. They're not great. The profits are not great. So let's go over them. The Taylor Swift CD earned only $8.34, but again, I got it for free, so that's fine. The waffle maker earned $13.89. That's a real stinker. And then the Captain Underpants box set, $14.80. So we're at a total today of $37.03. So pretty bad. We need to be getting more like 200. We need to be getting 200 in order to reach this goal. And it seems like as each day goes by this week, we're making a little bit less profit. So we need to sell some of the higher value items in my shop, or just a lot more. So that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'm feeling better tomorrow and we'll have a little bit more exciting video. So